Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate teamwork.com milestones for client deliverables step by step clearly. Open your teamwork.com dashboard. Navigate to the project where you want to activate milestones. In the left sidebar, select the Milestones option. Click on the Add Milestone button in the top right corner. Enter a title for your milestone that reflects the client deliverable. Set a due date for the milestone to ensure timely completion. Add a description if necessary to provide more context for your team. Optionally, you can assign team members to the milestone to clarify responsibilities. Adjust any additional settings, such as visibility or priority level. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click on the Save button. Your milestone will now be created and visible to all relevant team members. To activate the milestone, ensure that the milestone is marked as active. You can repeat these steps for any additional milestones needed for other client deliverables. Regularly check your milestones to ensure that everything is on schedule. Adjust deadlines or assignments as needed based on your team's progress. This process helps keep your project organized and ensures accountability. Using milestones effectively can improve communication with your clients. Stay on top of your client deliverables by utilizing teamwork.com milestones. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.